बीजेपीच्या तिकेटींग डिमांड आणि तिकेट मेळना जाल्यार कोपुसावांकय बरोच वाव तयार जाला. मांद्र्यास सोपटे आणि पार्सेकारांमदीं शीत युद्ध. शिरोड्या सुभाष शिरोडकराक बीजेपीन फुडें करताच म्हादेवान काँग्रेसीन घर वापसी केली. आता म्हापशाची परिस्थिती पळयात. दावेदार 2 जाण आणि तिकेट 1.
The people of Mapsa have shown their tremendous support in the last few days. I mean, the last few weeks. It's been 2 weeks today, and I have been having so many visitors that have been coming non-stop, and they have shown a lot of support. MLAs, ministers have also made statements to the press showing their support towards me. I am going to contest the by-elections, and I have approached the BJP yesterday afternoon. I have spoken to them, and I have shown them my willingness to contest in place of my father, and they have continued showing me the same support. They have told me that I need to go forward, and they are there. And right now, my father has served with the BJP for the last 20 years. He has been a loyal soldier to them, and since it is his term, I have approached them first, and I don't think there is any doubt that they are going to give anyone else the ticket. I believe it is going to be only me.
आम्ही म्हापसा पार्टी म्हाजो क्लेम आहा. पार्टी म्हाका फॉर आहा. पार्टी म्हाका दितात न्हू, प्रश्न काय येना. आमी पार्टी वांगडा सिन्सियर आहा. लास्ट आमी काम करीत आहा. पार्टी दिताले आनी बीजेपी आमी काम करीत आहा.
I don't know who is in race, but I have last so many years, more than 20 years, I have been working at different levels, different positions, and for the party. It is up to the party to decide who the candidate is going to be. I have always worked for the party so many years. Whatever assignment they have given, I have taken up. That's all I have to say.
म्हापशा बीजेपी खातीर केल्ली कामां आतां तिगूय दाखोवन दितात. मात तिकेट एकल्याकूच मेळपाची. सुत्रां सांगतात त्या प्रमाण विरोधकांनी दावेदारांक संपर्कय सुरू केला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.